Hello and welcome to the series of Understanding Rubrics of Mind. Friends, I'm Dr. Vilas Kadekar. Welcome to the episode number 14. Today's rubric is affectation. What is meant by affectation? Affectation is unnaturalness of behavior or unsincereness in that is often intended to impress other people, or it is an artificial behavior designed to impress others, a false appearance or assumption of a state, quality, or a manner of showing off one's ability, accomplishments, position, status, or possessions, etc. This is meaning in English, Hindi meaning दिखावा, मराठी मीनिंग ढोंग, अनैसर्गिक वागणूक, वर्तणीतील ढोंग, दिखावा, इतरांना प्रभावित करण्याच्या हेतूने केले जाणारे अनैसर्गिक किंवा कृत्रिम वर्तन. दिस इज मराठी मीनिंग ऑफ affectation. What are the remedies for affectation? First is hyoscyamus, lycopodium, nux vomica, platinum, staphysagra, stramonium, and varatamala. So these are the number of remedies. Now we'll see some differentiating point. Hyoscyamus has affectations, children's in, affectations, gestures and acts in. In lycopodium, affectations, children's in, affectations, words in lycopodium. And in stramonium, affectations, children's in, affectations with gestures and acts in. This is stramonium. Varatamalbum, affectations, children's in, gestures and acts in. Then platinum, affectations, children's in, affectations, words in. This is platinum. So these are the some differentiating remedies. Then now we'll see the cross references for affectations. First cross reference is blindness pretended. What is meant by blindness pretended? Blindness pretended means that is the pretends that he is a blind or a deliberated and knowing attempt to post oneself as a blind. This is blindness pretended. And deafness pretended. What is meant by deafness? Though actually he is not deaf, he is purposely possess himself to deaf. This is deafness pretended. The next cross reference, eccentricity, means it is a strangeness of behavior. That is eccentricity. And then next cross reference, feigning. Feigning means to pretend that you are sick or to assume a false appearance, or means makes oneself appear to be to do or make it appear that something is the case in order to deceive others or in a play, or to pretend to have a particular feeling, problem, etc. This is feigning. The next cross reference, malingering. Malingering means it is a feigning or to pretend to be ill in order to gain sympathy from others or to attract attention. This is malingering. And what is the miasm of affectation? Miasm is psychosis. And what are the disease condition or psychiatric condition of affectation? First is anxious person. Second is personality disorder. And third is schizophrenia. Thank you.